For our first strategy, we're going to write the subtraction equation in expanded form. Check and regroup all as needed, then subtract hundreds, tens, then ones. The problem states, Jodi won game tickets at Fun Zone playing the bowling game. She won 253 more tickets at the basketball game. Now she has 2,530 tickets. How many tickets did she win at the bowling game? I will start by writing the equation in expanded form. 2,530 is the result. I can subtract the change, 253, to find out how many tickets she won at the bowling game. 2,530 becomes 2,000 plus 500 plus 30. 253 becomes 200 plus 50 plus 3. Now I can check and regroup. We can't subtract 3 from 0, so we will have to regroup a set from the tens place. 30 becomes 20, and the set of 10 moves to the ones place. We can't subtract 50 from 20, so I will regroup a set from the hundreds place. 500 becomes 400, and that set of 100 moves to the tens place. 20 becomes 120. We don't need to regroup the hundreds or thousands place. Now I can subtract. 2,000 take away 0 is 2,000. 400 take away 200 is 200. 120 take away 50 is 70. 10 take away 3 is 7. 2,000 plus 200 plus 70 plus 7 equals 2,277. Jodi won 2,277 tickets at the bowling game. For our second strategy, we're going to show the amount on the place value chart. Check and regroup all, subtract the change, then count the remaining amount. I will start by showing the result, 2,530, on the place value chart. 1,000, 2,000, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 10, 20, 30. Now I need to subtract the change, which is 253. Next, I will regroup if needed. I can't take 3 away from 0, so I will need to regroup a set of 10 from the tens place. 30 becomes 20, and the set of 10 moves to the ones place. I can't subtract 50 from 20, so I will need to regroup a set of 100 from the hundreds place. 500 becomes 400, and 20 becomes 120. I do not need to regroup in the hundreds or thousands place. Now I can subtract. 2,000 take away 0 is 2,000. $400 take away 200 is 200. $120 take away 50 is 70. 10 take away 3 is 7. Jodi won 2,277 tickets at the bowling game.